Oh, thanks so much for having us over, Louie. You know, with my new job and all the changes to our routine, Jesse and I could really use a family night.
Oh, anytime, Jill. We're always happy to have you.
Well, we appreciate that.
Okay, I think I'm just gonna make one adjustment right here. Oh, no!
It's okay, Jesse. Could you help Elmo with his block tower?
Well, okay. Here. Okay, maybe if I put this right here, then. Oh, the blocks keep falling.
Oh, well, maybe Elmo and Jesse could build another block tower.
But the blocks keep falling.
Oh, Jesse, blocks fall all the time when you're building a tower, honey.
That's right. You just need to stack them right up again.
Mm-hmm.
Dad would know how to build the blocks so they wouldn't fall. He would know how to do it.
I know your dad was really good at building block towers.
Just things are so different without him, Mom.
Yeah. You know, I know that when your dad died, there were lots of big changes, and there's still more of them now.
Yeah, sometimes big changes can feel like everything is kind of wobbly, like a tower of fallen blocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Jesse?
Hmm?
Jesse, do you remember what we learned to do at grief camp when we have big feelings? Remember?
Mm-hmm.
You wrap your arms around yourself and you give a nice tight squeeze. And then you say one thing that makes you special, okay? I'll start. Now, even though things have changed, and some things may never be the same, I am still me. I am strong.
Oh, that's a good one.
Thanks, Louie. Hey, you can go next, Louie, huh?
Oh, all right. Let's see. Even though things have changed and some things may never be the same, I am still me. I am kind.
Oh, yeah, Daddy is kind.
You're right about that. Now, why don't you go, Elmo?
Oh, Elmo's turn. Even though things have changed, and some things may never be the same, Elmo is still Elmo. And Elmo is, helpful.
Oh, you sure are, son.
Mm-hmm. Jesse,
Hmm?
you want to try it, honey?
Yeah. Okay. Even though things have changed, and some things may never be the same, I'm still me. I am caring.
Oh, you are caring, Jesse. And you know what else you are? You are loved. And that will never change.
Yeah.
Exactly. Remember, you're not alone. We are here for you.
That's right.
And you too, Jill.
Yeah. And Elmo is here for you, too.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Hey, do you want to try that block tower again? I could help you.
Well, I would like that, Uncle Louie.
Oh, hey, let's all help. Come on, everyone. Let's do this.
Okay, let's
right.
do it.
See what we got here.
Oh, I dropped this one.